Hey Lincoln, this is Derek Hilgert with the Hilgert Group and Remax Concepts. I'm back to you today for day 2 with Dustin Lottman and Farm Bureau, and we're going to talk about some exciting, stinky stuff. Dustin?
Yeah, absolutely. So one coverage that I always recommend to our customers is the water sewer backup, and it's not a coverage that's typically included on an insurance policy. That's why it's important. A lot of times when an agent offers this coverage, it just sounds like an extra or a bell or a whistle that they want to add, and it's actually really important. I would say it's one of our most frequent claims outside of hail and wind and those types of things. So what water sewer backup does is it allows for payment from the insurance company for you if your sewer drain were to back up with dirty, crappy water, or Lincoln gets 8 inches of rain and your sump pump can't keep up or it just fails altogether. That's what that coverage is for. If you don't have that coverage, your insurance company is going to say, sorry, we just don't have coverage for that, so you'll be out of luck. What I like to do is provide enough coverage to make sure we get the job done. That's $10,000, a minimum of $10,000 of coverage for things like flooring and drywall and trim work, and another $5,000 to $10,000 for things like personal property or storage that you might have in the basement. One thing a lot of people get confused about is, they come downstairs in their basement and sweat, but the water was actually coming up through a crack in the foundation or maybe coming through a window well. And that's not what this coverage is for. That's, flood insurance. So this is really just relating to that sewer drain or that sump pump not being able to keep up.
Okay, perfect. Well, that's great information. As a person that's helped people buy homes, I've seen people not get that coverage and end up with $10,000 or $15,000 or $20,000 worth of stuff that was an out-of-pocket expense, and where it could have been fixed with a $5 or $6 a month, rider being properly insured. So if you want to be properly insured and know more about insurance, give Dustin Lottman a call. What's the best way to get a hold of you?
Yeah, call the office, 421-1116, or you can email me, dustin.lottman@fbfs.com. Stop by my office at 56 and South Street, or you can find me on Facebook.
Okay, excellent. Thanks, Lincoln. We'll come back to you real soon.